Hello, 091. Welcome to 7.1, where we review stuff we already know. There's nothing new there's nothing new to this section that you haven't already learned. Let me prove it to you. All right, let me get rid of that right there. Okay, so just a wide variety of problems. I got 6 of them for you. A plus 9 equals negative 1. So let's do all of our work in bright blue. Here I'm going to get a by itself, so I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. Again, same old, same old. A equals negative 1 minus 9, which is negative 10. Negative 10. Moving right along to this one. Simplifying. Simplifying anything I can on the left side and on the right side. So this would be negative 4. That's 12 minus 16. 4y plus 8 minus 3y. Just remember, this and this, these are like terms. They go together. So 4y minus 3y is going to be y plus 8. Y plus 8. 1y plus 8. So to get y by itself, I subtract 8. Draw a line there. Y equals negative 12. All right, moving right along here. This time, it's x over 5. That doesn't simplify, but over here, negative 6 plus 2, that's negative 4. And then we simplify this. We solve this for x. And remember the little trick I showed you. If you have this situation, you can just multiply that. You can multiply that. What you're actually doing, though, I'll show you in hot pink here, is to multiply both sides by 5. You always do the same thing to both sides, and you see that that cancels. And this is x equals negative 20. But to do that problem with the shortcut style, here it is again. I would just multiply these two numbers right here, and x would equal negative 20. Okay, either way, this is the correct answer. All right, over here, this is where we divide both sides by 3/5. And remember, I showed you 2 ways to do this problem last time too. So that would cancel, leaving me x equals whatever 9 divided by 3/5 is. That's 9 over 1 divided by 3/5, which is 9 over 1 times, and we flip that over. That's my reciprocal symbol. 5 over 3, cancel, and that would be 15. Okay, now I will go ahead and show you the alternative way to do this. 3/5 x equals 9. Multiply both sides by the reciprocal is another way to do this. That would cancel that whole thing, leaving me x equals 9 times 3/5. Well, that's right there. So that would equal 15. So no matter which way you do it, you get the same answer. Now, let's show you the next batch of problems. There is one here that's going to be interesting. This is the same sort of idea here. 3/4 y equals 2 squared plus 5. Well, I'll keep this the same, 3/4 y. Let me just get rid of that and move that down so it's neat. Should always be as neat as possible. 2 squared is going to be 4 plus 5. So this I'm going to rewrite one more time. And that would be 9. And then let's go ahead and just divide this by 3/4. All right, and this would be 9 over 1. I'll go ahead and show this step. 3/4. 9 over 1 times 4 over 3. That would cancel there. That's 1 and 3, which is 12. 12. 12, final answer. All right, and finally the last one. This is going to be interesting. A lot of people, when they first see this for the very first time, kind of freak out. Let me show you so you don't freak out. 12 over negative 6 would be negative 2. And then I'm going to start simplifying this side over here. So 4 times 2x, that would be 8x plus 3x. Negative 2 equals 8x plus 3x is 11x. Now, all right. This is the point where we're not going to freak out, because this problem right here is the same as something like 10 equals 2x. If this was our problem, we would divide by 2 without even thinking about it. That would cancel there like so, and x would equal 5. But it actually equals 10 over 2, because 10 over 2 is 5. Well, watch what happens here. We divide both sides by the coefficient, and 11 doesn't go into 2. So the final answer, that would cancel. X would equal this fraction right here, just like it equaled 10 over 2. This is negative 2/11. And that's what happens when you get a fractional answer. And that happens more often than, in real life than when it comes out even, like 12 and like 5. You get fractional answers all the time. That's it. Other than that, it's the review of the old stuff. Have a good one.